fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want.
Guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa Monkey Pad. Because we have to try the Monkey Pad. Yeah, pinakita ko. We're trying to try the Mai Tai with foam Mai Tai. And then siya, order din siya ng virgin Mai Tai. So unfortunately, walang ano rito. Hula pie. So lilipat kami after nito sa Okay guys, time check 1:15 ng afternoon, magpapakalasing ako.
No, mine is virgin.
So yours is what? Virgin? Virgin Mai Tai and then
Ito yung masarap yung hindi mo
foam.
something.
Alcohol with Mai Tai. Sige,
Okay, let's
tignan mo.
try it. Asin. Asin ba? Asin di ba?
Hindi maasim, matapang.
Sa akin maasin. Kasi virgin siguro lang. This is the shrimp and mushroom. Siguro gyoza siya. Kasi ito yung burgwa pizza.
Pati yung pizza, may shrimp.
Oh, lobster yan ba?
Lobster ba?
Yeah, lobster yan. Ito yung may shrimp sa loob siguro. Okay. Bawal sinasabi mo kapag sa Japanese.
Itakimasu! Chili.
Guys, taste na siya. May samba. Itong namin.
Chili.
Ito ba ba ang cheese?
Ano ko sa'yo yan? Gusto mo yung may ganyan? May cheese? Sige.
I think masarap siya.
Okay. Itakimasu! The best.
The best?
Best.
Great.
No? 9 out of 10.
Wow.
Okay. Siya naman po.
Akin na yun. Cheese ba yan? Baka salt yan, ha?
The cheese. The best.
Boy. 11 out of 10.
Wow. Ito yung may shrimp. May shrimp yata sa loob yan. So, tignan natin. Maanghang daw yung mga sauce. I-sauce mo.
Ayoko, spicy. Sige na nga.
Ang sana lang. Chef's kiss. Ganon. Ito. Alright. Magaan. Oh. Tap.
Ano mas masarap? Pizza o yan?
So,
Pizza talaga. Damis yung pizza. Ilang rate mo dito sa rate? Ako din 8. Nice, nice, nice.
Okay, another hula pie. Oh, yata. Nice. Mamaya babalik kami nito for another hula pie. So last day namin dito sa Maui. So mamaya order kami ng mga 10.
Sige, 10 ah. Pag hindi mo in-order yung 10 ba, sabi ko sa'yo.
Dito po kami sa boat today. We're going on whale watch. Hindi kami nakapag-video around there.
All you hear is these motors.
Ako mo
Alright
rin.
guys. Oop. Careful. So just like I said earlier, we're here at the boat because we're gonna go whale watching. So hindi kami nakapag-video kanina while checking because we're at the heart of we're on the heart of Lahaina where the
What?
tragic happens where the oh yeah, you're gonna sit down. Sorry, bye bye. Where the fire happens. So yeah, here we go. Picture pala, video pala yun. Isa lang yung lugar to. Family yata yan.
Ilang dami ba?
Dami na nila. Alon tayo.
Stop! Ang laki! My only question is... Wow!
Ano may
They're
vape?
playing.
Ano may vape ko? Yun.
Holy moly!
Oh.
Whoa!
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. Make my time, make my time.
Shaka-shaka! Tatry namin pumunta dyan kasi parang hindi mo.
Parang ano, tirara kasi bakal.
Edit ko na lang yung mukha natin dyan sa gitna at yan.
Oh my god. Financial freedom come and go as you please. Private road now. That's your mama house. Yeah, I know it seems big to see because you proceed to the route. Gusto ko maulitan. It's your fault. You weren't able to break up, but that's the power of money. Now you just wanted to make them the same.
Yan
I
yan.
know that you can get it since I got
Lalo na ang ganda ng papunta
Proceed to the
nila.
route. I be looking at the 7-year-old me like it's your business. The public you fun the way you rob the ball of your
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby.
Alright guys, bumalik kami. Bumalik kami sa Monkey Pot kasi kanina 3:30 lang ang serving nito. So we're here again at lobster pasta para matry ito.
Ano po rate mo po?
8.
8 out of 10? Ako din 8 out of 10. Mas masarap yung pizza?
Siguro.
Mas
Ano ba
masarap
yun?
yung pizza. 10 yung out. 10 yung
10 ba ako
sabi
ron?
ko sa pizza eh.
Di yata eh.
10 yun ba? Good morning, guys. Bob, good morning ka naman. Baka may bibig mo.
Morning.
Ganda ng view mo dyan. Tapos dito, beach naman. Ito yung nahanap ko, Bob. Parehas ng Honolulu, yung beach. Yung kanan beach, tapos yung left mountains. Amazing. guys, nag-take out kami ng food sa Tin Roof Restaurant. Kasi 11 a.m. yung soli nung return nung car. Kaya tinake out na lang namin. Doon na kami sa airport kakain. Masarap daw yan, Tin Roof. Most recommended on the go food. Yan na siya. In-order namin online and then pick up. Later, check natin. Bye. Bye, Tin Roof. Bye, Maui. Bye, Maui ka na, Bam.
Bye, Maui. See you.
Bam, tingin ka dito. Hello. Bam, Bam. Bam, Bam. Bam.
Sabi mo, tutulong ka?
Kaya mo naman pala ng kamay mo eh.
Rapper.
Ba, magpaalam ka na, Sam. Dito na tayo, Bam. Magpaalam ka na sa viewers mo. Ay, wait lang pala, mamaya na. Kasi kakain muna kami. Bye! Hello, guys. Garlic shrimp with brown rice. Sa kanya, chicken. Ano ba yun, Bam? Basta
Garlic chicken and noodle.
with garlic noodles.
Mhm.
Masarap, Bam?
Okay naman. Rate
Sakto lang?
6.
6?
Ano po?
Ito, rate ko dyan ay 7. Yung sa'yo, Bam, rate ko dyan 10.
Oh.
Ikaw, ano pa rate mo dito sa akin? Maalat eh. 8 kasi maalat. Bye, guys. See you, Maui. Soon.